Moving on now. Now, call it a Modi impact or a realization that has come a bit too late. Maharashtra government wants to advertise its achievements ahead of crucial assembly elections, and for that purpose, there is an ambitious ad campaign plan in place. Nearly 100 crore from government coffers will be spent to promote its achievements, a move that has understandably sparked a massive debate.
जिस तरह से कोई मार्केटिंग कंपनी किसी प्रोडक्ट को बेचती है, उस तरह उन्होंने मोदी जी को पैकेज करके देश के सामने प्रस्तुत किया, उसका देश ने उसको पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस दिया।
इसका उदाहरण भी दिया है सर।
इसके लिए मेरे को उदाहरण क्या मार्केटिंग।
Not very long ago, Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan targeted the BJP for selling Modi as a commodity through a high-end ad campaign. But it seems like Chavan will now be eating crow. The Chief Minister and his men are splashed everywhere these days, be it BST bus panels or TV commercials. And why not? His government is spending a whopping 93 crores on the ad campaign that aims at publicizing the achievement of the Prithviraj Chavan government. According to top officials of the Department of Information and Public Relations, it is a 360-degree campaign covering TV, print, radio and outdoor publicity. The BJP, of course, not missing the chance to hit back.
It is a futile exercise of Congress and NCP government. They are trying to show the things which they have not done. The citizens and the people of this state has not seen the developmental work which they are claiming about. So they are trying to do a dummy campaign.
शासन पाठीशी होतं. पाणी अडू लागले.
That's not all. Over and above the 93 crores from the Information and Publicity Department, other departments are spending their own money to highlight their work. While the Horticulture Department has roped in Amitabh Bachchan to promote Maharashtra's fruits and vegetables, the Public Health Department is planning to rope in Amir Khan for a blood donation campaign.
During the Lok Sabha elections, the Congress and NCP had targeted Narendra Modi for splurging on advertisement. But now, the Congress and NCP government in Maharashtra is spending close to 100 crores only on advertisement, hoping that it would help them fare well in the forthcoming assembly elections. With camera person Mahesh More, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for Headlines Today.